it's weird. When you're used to doing it by yourself, it's weird watching it happen for you, because Joe did that to me. Hey guys, welcome to Quinn's Tree Farm, coming to you through the power of YouTube straight from Central Maine. We got ourselves a leaf vacuum we got to put together. There's a little bit of a story behind this, but long story short, Dad's tired of raking leaves and wants to vacuum them up. So we're going to put this together today and see how that goes. It's pretty brutal outside. It's about 35 degrees out, generously. For this late October 2020. So I thought we'd come inside the garage and see what we can do with this. Right off the bat, if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, thumbs up to let me know you like what's going on, and don't forget to comment below. We're a small choose and cut Christmas tree field in Central Maine in Cornville, and this is our journey. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. We're going to be making wreaths pretty soon and cutting down some Christmas trees and doing all kinds of other stuff. So without further ado, let's get into this Agri-Fab Leaf Vacuum. Agri-Fab mowing vac 551889C, and there's a video instruction guide on YouTube. Probably gonna go use that. Alright, so we gotta get this off. Alright, so first things first, it comes bolted to the pallet if you get it on a pallet. Dad wanted it today, otherwise they would have assembled it for us at Tractor Supply. And then you got these two straps right here. Alright, step 2, it says put this on. And these are just the 5/16 nuts and washers. I'll get one on and then we'll tighten up the rest. And this one calls for 1/4 inch washers and nuts. I made my first mistake. I gotta flip this upside down for the next step.
Latch lock lever and ensure that it is securely latched.
So we gotta take the axle and we gotta line it up and we gotta put it through the tongue. And of course in the video they have 2 people. What could go wrong? Okay, you're learning from my mistakes. That has this little nubby here, face down. One of the things about my channel is you get it all in real time, right? So when I make a mistake, you see it. We're all human, we all make mistakes, so you can learn with me. Make sure that that bracket's on the right way. So it's spacer, big washer, wheel. Don't forget the valve stem on the outside. And then washer number 2. And last but not least, the old cotter pin. Ow. Okay. And repeat on the other side. The back. Line that up. Takes a 4-inch. Well, in typical Quinn fashion, I'm running to the hardware store to get a bolt. I can't find a 3/8 inch bolt that supposedly came with this leaf vacuum, so I'm going to get one. I'll be back. Okay, I got the knot. So I just got back after going to get a 3/8 inch nut that I couldn't find, and I was convinced that they didn't send it. And I promptly found the bag that had all the 3/8 inch nuts in it. So that was a fun little jaunt into Skowhegan. Now we're back. Let's see if we can bang this out before the sun sets. And then for these are the 1.25 inches. And you just gotta get your hands in under there and screw that in. Sometimes being a big dude does not come in handy. This is one of those times. Okay. I apologize. Apparently I left my GoPro on super fast speed while I was doing all that. But I wanted to tell you about a couple of things. When I was undoing the motor from the plywood mounts, I think you'll notice that it tipped over, so be careful about that. That's about that. So let's go ahead and we'll finish bolting this motor mount up and we'll go from there. I suppose if I was a kind and caring YouTube content creator, I would have taken the motor off and done the whole thing and taped it in regular speed, but I am not, because I want to get this done. All right, that's done. We got to attach the chute. So it's these self-tapping screws with the nylon washers. The video said go hard, push hard to get that bolt to tap, but And they're right. So I lucked out. In order to line this up, you're supposed to take those motor mounts, loosen all those bolts that we just tightened down a half a turn, and then you can get the chute lined up with the intake. Luckily, mine was right on. So, all you gotta do is do that. It's starting to look like a machine. I take a hose clamp, put it on here. Couple of things right off the bat. I used a 1/2 inch wrench and 9/16 wrench. I'll make a list and put it in the link down below of the stuff that you need. I'll link the video, the YouTube video, so you can see that. It's not completely perfect, it's for a different model, but it's close enough. Lastly, I can see that's going to be a problem. That's some place where they cheaped out pretty easily, and those pipe clamps don't do a good job with the ribbed hose. But we got to leave that. Friday we'll get some oil and some gasoline into it and we'll give it a shot. So with that being said, as always, I'd really rather feel bad in Maine than feel good anywhere else. So there you go, my friends. I'll see you soon.